Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's nice to meet you again on Introduction to Advertising. And today we will learn about medium in advertising. Okay, let me share my presentation. Yeah, at medium. So if we learn the medium that we actually use in advertising, there is a basic concept that we must know. There is a line to put our brand. Okay, if we put our brand in above the line, so we will make mass communication strategy in our advertisement and our advertising strategy. It means when you put your message in this kind of medium, many people will see it at some time. The example is television. When you put your message on the sinetron or in the news like Liputan 6, many people will see your message at the same time. This is the first kind of medium above the line that doing mass communication strategy to share your message. The second one is below the line. We put our brand below the line that close to our target audience. It means this medium make our brand doing personal communication with our target audience. The example is sales promotion girl. When you talk with sales promotion girl in shopping mall, the brand doing personal communication through the sales promotion girl. Okay. The third is through the line. It means our brand, when use this kind of medium, will do two kind of communication. First, mass communication, like above the line, and the second one is personal communication, like below the line. Actually, this is the characteristic of digital media like Instagram. When you put your message on sponsor ad in Instagram, at the first time, many people will see your message. And then for some people, need specific information about your product, they will chat on the commentar column, and then you can answer it personally to your target audience. Okay, let's move more detail to the above the line medium. Okay, before I explain the characteristic of above the line, I want you to imagine the medium like television, radio, billboard, or newspaper or magazine that become the example of this kind of medium above the line. Okay. First thing that you must do before communicating with this medium is encode your message uh, to your medium. This is the example. If you will use television, you must encode your message to be audio-visual advertisement. Okay. And when you choose radio as your above-the-line medium, you must encode your message to be audio advertisement. Okay. Okay. This is you will encode based on the medium, and then the message will flow to your target audience, and they will decode the your message, and then they will get the information. This is the flow, and then this is the uh, mass communication concept. Once you put your message in this kind of medium, many people, there is a 5 target audience, many people will see your message at the same time. And many people here have the different contact based on your medium. You can reach global audience if you're using digital medium like radio. Radio today becomes streaming radio. Once you put on Swaragama in streaming radio, many people globally will hear your advertisement. The second one, the orange one, is national. This is like a national television station like RCTI, Global TV, or MNC TV. Once you put your advertisement in Ikatan Cinta sinetron, many moms in Indonesia will see your advertisement at the same time. And then the third one is local. Actually, local is the characteristic of local radio, local newspaper. Once you put your message in Kedaulatan Rakyat or Swaragama FM, many people in Jogja will see or will hear your advertisement. And then the green one at the below of target audience is general or specific. This is the kind of medium. There are general medium that have general content and specific content. Okay, and then in the medium, like actually in television, brand will placement frequently. So it means you will see not just once the ad, but you can see twice, third, and many times. When you see Ikatan Cinta sinetron, and then you will see the Honda advertising many times, because the brand can placement frequently the advertisement, because in conventional medium, as much the more you put your advertisement, the more people see, and the message will send to the target audience many times, and target audience will know your message. Okay, this is the cluster. It means actually in television or newspaper, when you see the television like RCTI or Global TV, there is a program cluster in their station. Like you can see news program, sinetron program, films program, or cartoon program, that every program have their viewers. That the different program have different viewers. So you can choose program that match with your product. This is the interesting. When people decode your message, from the medium, they will use their sense. And then the excess of flexibility. It means when you put your message on television, people must use their eyes and ear. So they cannot do anything. They just see your message on television. It is different when they got your message from the radio. They just use ear. So they can drive the car or they can do some job when they hear your message. This is the excess of flexibility. Okay, let's move to below the line medium. Actually, this is the personal medium ya. Oke. Nah, the key point of below the line medium is interaction. Just imagine when you talk to the sales promotion girl in shopping mall. You will do chit chat with her. It's the form. This is a part of integrated marketing communication, and the message of sales promotion girls it is to drive sales. Okay, and based on their product, the target audience will be general or segmented. It means when you meet Yakult sales promotion girl, they will ask to many people in general age. But if you see the Anlin or Nutrilon, they will they just they will just deliver their message to the if Anlin ya to the old people, or if Nutrilon they will talk to the young mom with toddler. Okay, oh yeah, and then the characteristic of communication is personal communication, one-to-one communication. Okay, let's see the through the line. Actually, through the line come from the digital revolution of medium. So this is the characteristic of digital media. Okay, there is two kind of website, general website or specific website. This is based on their content ya. And then this is the factor that motivate target audience reach. First is the behavior of our target audience to get the information. The second one, the interest of people for the information. And then the content that our target audience need or want. And then the fourth is the popularity of the content or the popularity of the information. Now we'll see the access frequently web visitor, the characteristic of web visitor or social media visitor ya, social media user. This is a heavy and light. Actually, heavy is the Z generation. They spend 4.5 hours per day. And then the light is the millennials generation that spend 3.8 hours a day. Actually, this is the kind of your target audience that access your social media for your brand, you will find the heavy and the light target audience. So we can uh, divide them by usage pattern, how many hours per days, and then we can make the web visitor composition based on page traffic. Okay, thank you for today. Let's hope we will meet on the next video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.